If you have a long text and want to import it into your design, you can use linked text frame. I've got my canvas ready. I'll grab the frame text tool and draw a text frame. Then I'll copy the text by pressing Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy. When I paste the text, it exits the text frame. You can see the red triangle here indicating a hidden overflow text. If I click the eye, I can view the hidden text. To make the text flow onto other pages, click the red triangle, add a new page, and create a new text frame. You'll see the hidden text continue into this frame. Click the red triangle again, add another page, create a text frame, and now the text appears. However, manually adding new pages and text frames one by one like this would be hassle and time consuming. There's actually a feature in Affinity called Autoflow, which adds new pages and linked text frames automatically based on the length of text. So I'm gonna undo this and show you how to use it. I'll paste the long text again inside the text frame. Then I'll press and hold the Shift key and click the red triangle here. And there you go. All additional pages and linked text frames are created automatically following the length of text. The shape, number of columns, and size of the generated text frames on the second page onwards match the original one. Let me show you another trick. I'll press Ctrl G to undo this again. And I'm going to remove the original text frame as well. After that, I'll go to the context toolbar, click on the text frame icon right here. Then in columns, I'll change it to 3 columns. Next, I'll drag the 3-column text frame on my canvas. Then I paste the text inside. Press Shift and click the little red triangle here. And now we've got additional pages with 3-column text frames displaying all text automatically. Let me undo this again and show you another trick. The Autoflow doesn't work with copy and paste only, but I can also place an entire text document, such as a TXT file, RTF file, or a docx file, directly into the text frame. I'm going to change back the text frame into 1 column. I'll drag a new text frame. And now I'm going to click File, Place, select the document to import, and click Open. Then I'll place the cursor on the text frame and click. Now the text from the document is imported inside the text frame. I can then press Shift and click the red triangle. And now the new pages are added with all text displayed. It's super quick and convenient. So that's all about Autoflow feature in Affinity. You can try it out and let me know in the comment if you have anything to ask or share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good day.